Hey, thanks for joining me again for some more matrix multiplication. Gonna multiply. Uh, so I know this looks terrible, but it's really not bad. I want to show you something to look for, okay? So first, let's write the dimensions here. This is a 3 by 3 matrix, and this one has 2 rows and 3 columns, so it is a 2 by 3 matrix, and we're done. This one cannot be multiplied. I cannot multiply it. And the reason we know we can't multiply it is because these inside numbers don't match. Remember, when we're doing this multiplication, we have to do what they call a dot product, which means the rows of this one has to be multiplied, correspondingly, is that the word? By the columns in this one. And since the rows and columns don't match, don't line up, you can't really do a good dot product. All right? So let's look at a couple where we can. All right, this first one. All right, so we've got this first one is a 2 by 3, and this one is a 3 rows by 2 columns. All right, and because the inside numbers match, we can do it. Our answer is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. Man, that's crazy. I drew this big matrix, but I should have did this first. Wow. All right, we're going to do the first row and the first column. So it's going to give us our first entry right here. All right, so this is going to be 6 times -1, -6, plus 0 times 2, so that's 0, plus 4 times -5, that's -20. All right, actually, I guess I'll leave some more room there. And then let's go ahead and do the first row. So this right here, this one we just did was first row, first column. And so this is going to give us our first entry, 1, 1, our first entry for our answer matrix. All right, let's do this row and the second column here. So 6 times -1 is -6 again. 0 times 3 is 0 again. And 4 times 2, 8. All right, now let's do the second row, first column. So -1 and -1 makes positive. All right, -3 and +2 is going to make -6. Yep, so plus -6. -3 and -5 is going to make 15. Whoa, I do that sometimes. Jeez. Huh. -3 and 2 will make the -6. Now 9 and -5 will make -45. All right, last one. Second row, second column. So we're going to have -1 times -1, 1. -3 times 3, plus -9. 9 times 2, 18. And we did it. We've got a 2 by 2 matrix here. Go ahead and simplify these a little. This one's -26. This one is 2. This one is something. -40? Nope, -50. Went the wrong way. This one is 10, I believe. I think that's right. But notice our answer was a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 on the outside numbers. All right, here we go. Last one. So we've got a 3 by 3, 3 by 3. Our answer is going to be a 3 by 3 when we multiply it out. I'm going to be using a calculator this time. All right, just going to be letting it do all the operations for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and write my answer matrix down below here. All right, so we're doing row 1, column 1. All right, so this is going to be 1 times 3, it's 3, plus 2 times 1, plus 3 times 2. There you go. Oh, 6. All right, so yeah, we were lining this one and this one. All right, so we get 11. All right, let's go ahead. Actually, I guess I can do this. Yeah, we're doing the first row with the second column this time. So we got 1 times 1, 1, plus 2 times 5, that's 10, plus 3 times 6, 18. So we get 29. Now we'll do row 1 and column 3. So it's going to give us the third column. All right, 1 times 3, 3, 2, oh my goodness, I got to back off. 1 times 4, it's 4, plus 2 times 9, it's 18, plus 3 times 5. So there's a lot of room for error here. Yeah, lots of operations, so the chances of us messing up, pretty good. All right, so I've already did this row. I'm just going to mark it out. Now we'll do second row and the first column. So 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 1 is 5. So plus 5 plus negative 6 times 2. And that's that one. So we end up with 5. Now we'll do the second row and the second column. So 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 5 is 25. Negative 6 times 6 is negative 36. Negative 7. Kidoki. And now we'll do second row, third column. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 9 is 45. And then negative 6 times 5 is negative 30. You almost need 2 people to do this at the same time. All right, and now the last one, row 3. So we're going to get negative 7 times 3, negative 21, plus negative 8 times 1, negative 9 times 2, negative 18. So we get negative 47. And then next we're going to get the third row with this one. What is this called? Second column. Sorry, I'm getting tired. Negative 7 times 1, negative 7. Negative 8 times 5 is negative 40, plus negative 40. And then negative 9 times 6, plus negative 54. Hope I'm doing this right. And then let's see. Next we'll do, oh gosh, that last one, right? I didn't mess anything. Okay, good. Now I'm going to do the third row and the third column. Negative 7 times 4, negative 28. Negative 8 times 9 is negative 72. Negative 28 plus negative 72 plus. And then now we'll do negative 9 times the 5. So that is negative 45. Negative 145. Boy, that's a big answer. So that would be our answer matrix for that one times this one. Whoa.